How to fix the Roblox can't play games fix. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix this issue. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to make sure that you log in your account correctly. For that you have to go in your settings and you have to log out from your account and you have to again log in. And after that you just have to select any one of the game, and if you go in this game and click on the play and you are not able to join the game, so what you have to do is simply go into your windows and from here you have to search for your app settings. Now once you are in the app list, here you have to search for the Roblox and you have to go in the Roblox player. Now what you have to do is simply click on these three dots and uninstall your Roblox, and after uninstalling it you have to go into your Windows again and you have to go in the Microsoft Store, and from here you just have to simply go in the search and here you have to search for your Roblox. Now you just have to click on it and from here you are able to install your Roblox again, and after that you are also able to fix the can't play game joins in your Roblox. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.